welcome back. So we are continuing to work on the bathroom. Josh put up some temporary flex tape lighting for indoors that we've got in there just to help with our lighting situation since we don't really have any permanent lights put up in there. So we put those up temporarily, which should be really nice. And today's focus is going to be plumbing and then working in the shower area.
So doing the shower area, we gotta have the proper slope from the walls down to the drain. So it's gonna be a 2% slope. So what that is, it's a 1/4 inch per foot from the wall to the drain. So I think we're gonna be from the center of the drain to the edge of the wall. It's I think 3 foot from one side. So it's gonna be a 3/4 inch raise. So we gotta work the topping sand in a slope. What the topping sand is it's a sand and cement mixture. So that goes first, and we'll start installing everything.
Yep, so it's going to be a little bit of a process, but we're ready to get going.
Yep,
all right.
Let's go. Alright, so we have this crimped on. We have a 1/2 inch going out, 1/2 inch going down. This 1/2 inch is going to go down to the, I guess, the valve for the shower. We're actually going to have 2 in the shower for 2 different heads. So when me and Aaron shower together, we can both wash ourselves, obviously. So, but the bad thing is, I must have lost the bag of extra clamps for this. I'm going to go ahead and dry fit the one for the hot. And I'm going to come back and do this later. I have to go to the store. I'm not sure where it's at. So, it's what it is. It's unfortunate, but we'll just make do. Alright, now play for that board.
What?
Play for that board. You get 30 seconds off.
It's spot on, dude. it's
You get 30 seconds off.
It's spot on.
You're 30 seconds off.
No, I'm
Yes, you
not.
are.
It's spot on. It couldn't be better. He hates it that I'm better at the miter saw than him.
That's a compound miter saw. Just saying.
This time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling. Stay.
Yeah, good job, girl. Good girl!
It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just a private fire. You say, as we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm always sorry to bring you in my fall. Yeah, with my fall. Like this never end. We have to try and keep the mood up. Stay. I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all good in the end. 'Cause as we're growing older, darling, love is growing stronger, 'cause it's me that I'm fighting. Now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin, and I'm
So to keep the build moving forward this entire time since we started the build, which was in September, is that right?
Footers were in August. Whatever.
Okay, so
Nobody's counting.
so in August.
Yes.
Our goal has been to be out here every single evening, even if it's just for a couple of hours, getting something done, just checking something off the list, and to keep making progress and keep moving forward, and then working on the weekends. This week we didn't meet our goal, which is a total bummer, but life happens. Josh has been called into work overtime this week. I've been lambing, and things have just been kind of crazy. So we, we're back on it. We just didn't meet our goal this
the thing
week.
about it is spring's here, grass is getting green, we have baby lambs being born, meat chickens are coming, we have a ton of projects coming down the line with farming. So
Yeah, so things are about to get really interesting for us,
hectic
because
as can be.
now not only are we going to be continuing to push on the house build, but we've also got a bunch of projects in the works on the farm. So we're pretty excited about that. We're definitely going to be bringing that to you guys to share with you, so you can see some of the other stuff. We'll of course still be having our regular
doing the
build
house build,
videos,
yes.
but if you're interested in the other side of things with the farming and raising our own meat and stuff like that, then we will have that to share with you guys as well. So got anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See ya. You look at the she-elf on whatchamacall. Just saying.
A she-elf on... Oh, you're right.
You do.
Josh is just bitter because he had to eat vegetables for dinner. He's trying to reduce his waistline.
Yeah, I'm at 32. Straight up. Every day of the week.
You're at 32 as long as we don't put your pants in the dryer. Somebody's gonna get mad about me cutting with my hair down like this.
And your face won't look look any worse, okay? So we'll start calling you Hatchet Face instead.